everyone. You're watching Manscape News. Behind the lens is a cameraman Yash and I'm your reporter Manita, reporting live from APS School. Take a look. Today, we're here to talk about a major issue, the rising number of environment alerts. Let's hear what young workers have to say about to save a plant. Let's go inside. Come with me, let's see what is happening. I can see students are sitting on the ground. It's Friday, they must have their club period. And some of them are planting the trees. Oh, I can see lemons here. They must be grown by these students and I guess they will be in the eco club. Let's go and talk to them. Excuse me students, I am from Manscape News. Do you want to say something about the current situation?
Oh, thanks, Manita. The situation is serious. Last week, our city received a red air alert. The air quality was so bad that schools were advised to stay indoors.
Oh, the schools were closed.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Sonam. One bad air day won't hurt. I still took my bike for a ride. And see, nothing happened to me. And the school was closed unnecessarily.
That was not cool.
Yeah.
Rosa, that's the problem. We ignore small things until they become big disasters. Did you know that forest fires in the nearby region are also a part of environmental destruction?
She's right, Rosa. It's true that rising temperatures, flood, and even sudden storms are part of environmental alert system. They warn us before things get worse.
Okay, maybe I didn't realize it was that serious. But what can we do? We are just students.
We can do plenty. Turn off the lights when not needed, reduce plastic use, plant trees, and spread awareness. Even small steps make a big difference.
Good morning, I'm the wing captain of Middle Wing Army Public School.
Pleased to meet you.
As a wing captain, I always tell students to not use plastic, but they use plastic on their daily basis. Let us take the initiative and clean the whole area.
Let's go.
Our class has gone to games. So, when the light's not needed, you have to switch off the lights. The lights are switched off. This is how we can prevent our sources and a step forward to save our environment.
See folks, every action counts. When nature gives in a warning, it's a call to change.
Exactly. We should treat environment alert like an emergency alarm. The planet is asking for help.
Let's start a green alert campaign in school, where we alert each other about waste, pollution, and other ways to protect nature.
Well, count me in. Now I'll be alert too, but not by my phone's notifications, but by nature's notifications.
Will the students keep their promise and lead the change, or like many others, they will drift into the cycle of destruction?
We will definitely keep our promise. We are the new generation who believes in action, not excuses. We will plant more trees, keep our surrounding clean, and inspire others to protect our planet, because the future of the earth is in our hands.
Pollution, deforestation, and the waste we create will one day decide our fate. Let's act smart and wise to heal the earth. Let us take part.
Well, this will also prevent half of the diseases.
I only heard that Army Public School is good in discipline and the way of duty is nice. But now onwards, I also believe. And I actually love that your school has made different types of clubs. It also includes Eco Club, which teaches the student to be more concerned about our environment. Nice to meeting you.
Thank you, Manita, for visiting our school.
Stay alert, stay green.